back in action on the GTO. Got all our belts tensioned as we saw last week. I did get our nut. You know, it's a little long. It works perfectly fine. Got our nut for our power steering pulley. Obviously, we can't get a 12 point for the alternator because it's weird. 66820. Obviously, nobody makes 66820 in a 12 point stainless. I wish they did. Anyway, so when we got everything tight, here's our situation. Our belts are back a ½ inch. Wick and I measured with the straight edge, and it's a solid ½ inch across. It's a ½ inch back. I was gonna measure our thickness here, see if these are back further on these heads than on a stocker. That could be our issue. Obviously I would have to do a little spacer fun time, but we will check that out now. Fun. So I've measured, I used the center of the head bolt here to this flat surface. It's 3/4 here, and I measured on the old head, it's 3/4 as well. Just so freaking strange. Gotta see what we got going on. So that's about where we need to move out to, plus or minus a little. The best bet would be to cut an adapter spacer out of a plate of aluminum to go back here. Be much nicer than little shims